Me and Bizzaro. Bizzaro hero. Help Superman. Superman say as reward, Bizzaro get own planet all to himself, very far away from other people. He say not helping. Bizzaro not understand, but hate new planet and make city to live in called Rocktropolis. Now very, very good man want wreck Rocktropolis, take energy from planet, make Bizzaro happy to see city in peril. So me steal LexCorp replicator gun, make own League of Friends. Batzaro, Bizzara, Sizaro, and Green Zaro. Apart we fight Darkseid, save planet. Bizzaro League backwards! Darkseid hurts citizens? Bizzaro League must not help them. Slowly! No! Must get people back up to ground. That better? We make such bad team. Them not heroes. Bizzaro League fight to make Superman ashamed of us. Bizzaro League needs you, Batzaro. You world's worst detective. This looked like job for glow powers! Rocktropolis people am free! Save more Rocktropolis people! Ha! That not fun. Uh-oh. What we do now? Bizzaro League now have Bizzaro Mobile. Oh, Bizzaro Mobile not last long. Watch out for Big Hurdy Laser. Bizzaro League need to be very careless. That showed them. Bizzaro League save Rocktropolis! Yay! M did it! Just when M thought all won, Superman and friends turn up, help us badly. Together, worst of friends! Darkseid not show face again. Bizzaro am very ungrateful for help. Rocktropolis unsafe once again.